Some people might have gas.
Some people might.
Okay.
And that's something that they would have to talk with their construction manager about before they do their home. We are in the mudroom / laundry room.
Yeah, this is a really nice, like.
Oh, it's beautiful and open, and you can hang up all your kids' backpacks or jackets, and it's wonderful.
Got little cubbies above and below.
Yep, it's great.
Okay.
So before you put in your washer, I recommend you pour about a pitcher of water down the drain, because there's a P-trap down there that needs to stay.
This is so wild, so simple, but true. Right here, get ready. Women hate the word hate it. Just say it. Turn to a girl right now, just say it.
You don't like the usual, it just got to be full of water, right?
It has to be full of water, and that P-trap just needs to stay wet. And if you start to smell that sulfur smell around time, then just pour another pitcher of water down there.
Just right
down the drain, directly down the drain before you hook up your washer.
Okay. And plug for the washer.
Plug right there, and then I also like to point out that this is a 4-prong for your dryer plug-in as well.
Okay, and one thing, and this is done here.
Yeah.
In some cases I've seen this actually needs to be punched out.
Yes.
To drain.
Right. So you put your drain down there where that's the hole, and then you can plug in your hot and cold water. Yep.
Okay.
Correct.
And then talk to me about the wonderful feature here.
This is brand new. They just started putting these in, which is really nice to protect your walls for when you hook up your dryer vent and let all that hot air go out to the outside.
Well, and it doesn't need to kink to connect to that thing, does it?
Just kind of fits right in.
That's awesome.
So that's wonderful now.
Okay, and then this is where I do my pull-ups and
that's
where the kids hang from
out. Yeah, don't let your kids hang from it, but
we
yes,
all know
you can
that
do
we do that when we were kids, right?
Maybe a little.
Okay. Well,
yeah, so this is great.
This just part of the
just a fan, just an exhaust fan to kind of help with your dryer vent, just kind of exhaust everything out of your home. So.
And it looks like there's a rough in here for an additional sink, maybe? Future sink?
If you would like it, yeah.
Okay, so you've got your hot and cold and then the drain.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is,
wonderful.
Plenty of space to do some laundry, right?
Yeah.
Start in the closet, start here, what do you want to do?
Let's start in here, because I really like to point out the windows, and I never thought I'd say this, but I love these windows. And the reason being is you can take this window out and you can clean both sides. And it's super easy.
Inside here?
Yeah, just from inside your home. As a homeowner, you can do it yourself. You don't need anybody to do it for you.
Okay.
It's so wonderful.
Okay.
So wonderful.
Okay.
So wonderful.
Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, so wonderful, my love.
As you're pulling up your window, you can kind of feel it come off track.
Okay, yeah.
And then you push it to one side and pull it out. Make sure you don't ding your beautiful painted walls.
Right.
And then you can clean both sides of your windows, and then when you put it back in, make sure you go above the tabs, push it to one side, put it in, and then you can just kind of feel it slide back into track.
Right.
And then push it down and close it, and then make sure you close those tabs.
Okay. Should we do it? I'm going to do it.
You're going to do it, all
I just
right.
want to feel the...
I want you to see how easy it is as a homeowner to be able to do that.
Oh, I should unlock it
Probably
first.
should. So once you get up there, you can kind of feel
there it
it
is.
come off track. And then you just push it to one side, whatever you feel comfortable.
There's that gap on the...
And there's the gap, and you can pull it out.
Okay, so I'm not going to pull it out.
But you can just kind of feel it come off track, huh?
And then you just
Push those back in, and then no one can get in your house.
I can see that.
Yeah.
There we go. And then no one can get in your house.
Yeah, then no one can break into your home.
Okay,
Wonderful.
perfect.
You do have a fan up here, which there are different speeds for it. And the funny thing is, a lot of people think that this is backwards. So 4 is low, and then 1 is the fastest.
Super high.
These go to 11.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But sometimes you'll get a little clicking sound with your fan. That is normal. Some people are like, my fan's clicking. It just kind of happens.
I've got a question about this little extra feature. Can you tell me about that?
So this is just a dimmer. So you can dim your lights.
Have I benefited from exceptional lighting? You tell me.
Great.
Yeah.
And in this particular house, we go
Right into
right
the
into the
master.
bathroom. No door to even worry about, right?
No door to even worry about.
Okay.
You've got your toilet again with the sink and this plastic thing. Don't really need to worry about anything in here. You do have grout that you probably would recommend that you seal in here,
Okay.
but everything looks wonderful.
I'm noticing here we've got the 2 plugs, which is awesome, but none of them are GFI.
GFI, so-
Where's the connection here?
Remember I said downstairs that one bathroom may have it that will be connected to all
To
the
all
bathrooms.
bathrooms. Oh, okay.
So,
So it's not just
that-
sneaking around the corner
yeah,
here.
so
it's
like I said,
somewhere
if it's
else.
your dryer's not working, you're gonna have to go into another bathroom and maybe hit the reset button
Okay,
and just try your GFIs first.
great.
Yeah.
And then,
And then into
Transition
here.
right to the
Yeah,
closet
we'll
here.
go into the closet.
right.
But right above you is your attic access.
Okay.
And I like to point that out because they can get up and run wires if they need to for your home.
Oh, yeah.
But just make sure you don't store anything in your attic, as that will avoid your 10-year structural warranty.
These are they just battery powered? Is it connected to the electricity of the home?
They're all hardwired together.
Okay.
They do have batteries in them. So you have a smoke detector in every room, and then you have a dual detector on every level for carbon monoxide,
Oh, okay.
which is awesome. And these actually talk to you, so they'll tell you fire, fire, carbon monoxide.
Oh, wow.
So they'll tell you kind of what they sense.
Okay. Now, when this is a pet peeve of mine, when my smoke detector is running out of batteries,
Right.
I gotta find which one it is.
Yes.
Is that easy with these? Do they tell you
Yes.
I'm low on batteries?
Yeah, it will tell you low on battery, and the
Okay.
one that is low will actually blink.
Oh,
So you'll know that that's the one.
you gotta swap
That you
that out
have to
with
switch out.
just
Yes.
a 9-volt.
Yes.
Okay, great. And then to test that, we're not gonna do that right now.
No.
We,
You just push the
button
little
up here.
round circle button up
Plus, we're
there.
not tall enough.
Right.
These are 9-foot
These are
ceilings.
nice. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
But this is
So
gonna
that's
be
your heat and
heating the AC.
Yes. And then you have your cold air return right there.
Okay.
Sometimes we stand on the top of a hill and we gaze at the earth and the sky.